Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever heard of the mixture of green tea and hibiscus? Did you know that this combination can do wonders for your health? Green tea and hibiscus tea are often used by people who want to lose weight, and they also have many health benefits. But did you know that this mixture isn't only beneficial for those who want to lose weight? Check out some of them. It controls anxiety, reduces premenstrual symptoms, strengthens the immune system, has antioxidant effects, prevents diabetes and urinary tract infections, is a great ally against premature aging, and improves intestinal flora and blood circulation. Amazing, isn't it? Now that you know the benefits of green tea with hibiscus, do you want to know how to prepare this drink? The preparation is quite simple and is done in the same way you always prepare your teas. Bring 600 milliliters of water to a boil. When the first bubbles appear, turn off the stove. Add 1 bag of green tea and 1 of hibiscus tea. Let it steep for 10 minutes. After that, strain and drink it. See how simple it is? The most important thing of all is that you don't let the water boil, because that can ruin the effect of the tea. Did you like the tip and how to prepare it? The only problem with this combination is that there are a few contraindications. Therefore, some people should be careful when consuming this drink. Nursing mothers, pregnant women, and women who are trying to get pregnant, people who take controlled medications or have thyroid problems, people with hypotension, and people who suffer from gastritis or glaucoma. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.